What does it smell like?
Smell like butter.
Hey you guys, it's Shandera. I know you read the title. I know you're triggered. I know you're saying you're not supposed to put Chebe powder on your face. Well, that's subjective. So I'm doing a patch test with Chebe powder on my neck. So this is 2 weeks before we actually do the mask. But why does stuff smell like crushed cigarettes? It's been a long time since I've actually smelled cigarettes, so I didn't know the smell, but it smelled like burnt cigarette, like the cigarette butt. It's like, oh. Just did the patch test and I wiped it off. I'm just a little bit red, but that's it. No irritation, no nothing at all. If anything happens, you will be updated. If not, we just gonna go straight to face.
Used to cry alone at night, tears had to stain my eyes, but with you it's like I never felt that way. Phone's been ringing 20 times, I don't seem to mind, cause you're bothering me in the best way. I can be a fool for the little things you do to get a hold of me. Chocolate and roses on a Wednesday night.
So this is the swatch, sort of like a thick paste, but you can make it thinner. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, the smell may be the thing that gets me this week because it smells like cigarettes. You know, not cigarettes, the ashtray. You know how when you have an ashtray of like cigarettes just sitting there? That's what it smells like, an ashtray. I'm gonna try to add some essential oils next time I make it because the scent is atrocious, but then I'm scared to add essential oil, so I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna see. This is what it looks like so far. What do you guys think? It feels very, very hydrating. Like I could feel my face moisturized and very cooling. I actually had a dry patch and some sort of irritation, and this is really cooling my face down. So far, so good for me. Like 10 minutes and the mask is drying, and it is not hard at all. Like, it doesn't feel hard, irritated, or anything. So I have high hopes. I got high hopes. The mask is dry. It dried in like moist patches. But it's completely dry. It's almost like a mud mask, and it's not weighing me down like cement, because some facial masks weigh down like cement. This is what my face looks like after the mask. I'm gonna dry it, but my face feels baby smooth, soft. Oh my God, it's a little red, but I feel like I have clear skin. Like, my skin's never looked this good. I am like really shocked and excited to do this. Oh my God, it looks really good. So I'm applying niacinamide to my face because it just looks so good. I feel like niacinamide would keep up the appearances. Tonight I am going to use retinol, so I'm excited to see how the Chebe powder reacts with retinol. I have a funny feeling it's not going to react good. Every time we like use natural and organic products with retinol, certain times it's okay, but I have a funny feeling because I feel like the Chebe powder is no joke. Like, it was really tight in my skin, and my skin looks really clear. Like, my skin hasn't looked this good in ages. Like, it looks so beautiful. I am glowing. I haven't had a glow like this in forever. Oh, I just added shea butter. I'm telling y'all right now, I'm keeping it real natural, organic, besides the niacinamide. So I had a few issues with the Chebe powder. Y'all see my face? Doesn't look like dry, really cracked and ashy. That's because Chebe powder, well, it's not the Chebe powder. It's actually the retinol. I used retinol that night before I put the Chebe powder on, and then I used retinol the night after I put the Chebe powder on. So my face is messed up, it's dry, it's irritated, it's itchy. So I'm hoping the Chebe powder like combats this. So y'all, my face is highly irritated. Chebe powder comes from a country in Africa called Chad. The nomadic tribes in Chad are known to use Chebe powder to make their hair very long, almost all the way down to their ankles, if you ask me. That's how long their hair is. However, there are no articles about face care. There are sort of like mixed reviews on Amazon. Some people have used it on their face. Some people say don't use it on your face. But looking at articles specifically on Cosmopolitan, they reached out to dermatologists about using Chebe powder in your hair. Hair care and skin care are so closely connected. So, you know, we see a lot of brands who are famous for their great skin care go to hair care. We might as well put it on our face. And once again, I am a guinea pig.
Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. You've got me falling and I owe it all to you. Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. Take a little breath and push aside. Tell me what I should be doing. I don't know. Baby, I love you, what to do. I don't know. Lately I've been so afraid, can't control these feelings. I've taken a dose of you. Just a little will suffice so I can survive. Finally, baby, I can be a fool for the little things you do to get a hold of me. Chocolate and roses on a Wednesday night. This feels alright. Oh, baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. You got me falling and I owe it all to you. Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do.
My skin's been drying out and my moisture barrier was a little bit disrupted. I'm adding salicylic acid in it and lactic acid. I know I shouldn't have added them. For some odd reason, a lot of my moisturizers weren't working. So I had to add shea butter and petroleum jelly just because I felt like my moisture barrier was disrupted from using a lot of chemical exfoliations. Other than that, my skin has been looking really good lately since I finally got a skincare routine down. It took a while. I should have just stuck to the organic products like I told y'all I was, but you know, I was feeling a little frisky. I wanted to try some new things. The mask was making my skin look really glowy, very hydrated. So I decided to, you know, why not go all the way left and add chemical exfoliations? Worst thing possible. And I think the reason is because the Chebe powder actually acts like almost an exfoliant on the skin from my personal experience. The way it packs on your skin and clings to your skin, and when you're rinsing it off with water, it really, you have to really be gentle. If you're not, it's almost like you're using a physical exfoliation. It gives you really great glowing skin. That's what I've noticed, but you are a little red after, but the redness does subside, but it really gives you this beautiful glow.
No harder daughter skincare.
No, that's mommy skincare. Let's see what Sonomi thinks of the smell. Let's see her reaction. Come here, Sonomi. Okay, look here. Okay, you want to smell it? Okay, smell it. What does it smell like?
It smells like butter.
It does. Can you smell? It smells like a fire? Yeah. See, now she says it smells like a fire. I'm talking about tobacco smoke, but as I smell it, it smells like, it does smell like a fire. Like we go camping in the summer, so it does smell like a fire. Oh, she's right. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So my skincare routine is officially done. I'm looking like a glazed donut. I used all natural and organic products with this routine. Even the occlusive I use, which is Dr. Paw. Normally Aquaphor or Vaseline would work. I cannot believe I added retinol. That was like the worst thing I did. I knew it wasn't the Chebe powder. I knew it was that retinol. I knew it. I just knew it. You know, that's so Shandira. I have like that psychic tendency to know like what certain products are not going to work with certain things, and I knew it was that retinol. I'm so happy I didn't kind of blame the Chebe powder, because I kind of wanted to, but I was like, no, you really need to like sit down, do a piece of paper, analyze your skincare routine, and it was the retinol. Like, retinol is no joke, and that's why I really rarely don't use it, and it really reacted bad with the Chebe powder. But since I took it out, my skin is looking amazing, very glowing, hydrated. It stays this hydrated all day long, you guys. I haven't even had troubles with sunscreen, even the sunscreens with alcohol in them. I have not had a trouble with those at all, and I am just glistening like no tomorrow. Y'all see this glow? It's thanks to Chebe powder. You guys, this has been a difficult week for me and the Chebe powder. I wish I would have just stuck to the organic, natural products from the beginning, but I've noticed with the Chebe powder, less is better. My pores look refined, they look smooth. My skin looks the best it has looked in a while. Chebe powder, oh my God, I love the results. Chebe powder has my skin looking really good. Shout out to all those Amazon reviews of people who used it on their skin. I'm kind of happy I listened to them, because I would not know about using it on the skin if it wasn't for those Amazon reviews. Look at this glow. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I just look just so beautiful. I'm not a glazed donut, but this skin has been looking really good with Chebe powder, and I significantly have used way less skincare. So in hindsight, I've actually saved money. You know, we all about saving a few coins on this channel. So here are my final thoughts on applying Chebe powder to your face. If you have a very natural, organic skincare routine, I think it is something to look into. However, I do feel if you're using a lot of conventional skincare products, you may not want to put Chebe powder on your face. It could literally break you out, especially if you're using a lot of chemical exfoliations. Chemical exfoliations reacted so horribly with the Chebe powder. Retinol did as well. So if you're a person with a very elaborate skincare routine, whether it's bougie skincare or drugstore skincare, you're really not a person who's really into like the hippie lifestyle. Whether you're a natural, organic person, if you're not really into clean, green skincare products, this can really harm your skin. So be very careful. Other than that, it is an amazing product. Once you get the right skincare products in your life, you are going to love using Chebe powder on your skin. It made my skin glow. My pores looked very clean. It almost reduced the appearance of them, like they weren't just overly enlarged like they normally are. I mean, I had tons of videos, y'all can see my enlarged looking pores. This is an amazing product if used correctly. I will say that. With that being said, you guys, let me know, have you tried Chebe powder on your skin? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.